Please.
Abdrazak Namdas is my name. I represent the people of Ganye, Jada, Tongo, Malebelwa. I am from Adamawa State. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the mover of this motion. It's very timely. Certainly, Mr. Speaker, my contribution is that our armed forces have actually tried in the last couple of months, which culminated to the capture of the Sambisa forest, is true. However, the latest incident is actually unfortunate. We have lost so much number of people, innocent people who are already in IDPs. As I talk now, a lot of people in the IDPs are feeling jittered because they feel that they are becoming helpless. Anything could happen to them too, because they could be mistaken for insurgents. I want to suggest, Mr. Speaker, that there is need for the Air Force people to always do surveillance and actually make a thorough investigation before they go ahead and throw their
order,
bombs.
please.
Because once
silence, honorable members, please.
Haphazardly, certainly they are going to hit innocent people. And in fact, there are a lot of IDP camps, some even not recognized by government because of the nature of the operation of the Boko Haram people. And therefore, it is very important that they should be very cautious. And I agree that investigation should actually be carried out so that this incident do not occur. Today, it is everywhere in the international media that Nigerian Air Force has mistakenly, sometimes in quotes, to drop bombs on innocent people. I think, we commend the efforts of the armed forces. It is true that they need to be cautious. They need to be cautious in doing their operation. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. This is my little contribution.